Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Your car may not start for a number of reasons. The following list describes the most common circumstances and tells you what steps you can take to try and remedy each situation. The car is silent when you turn the key in the ignition. Check the battery cable connections. If they look very corroded, force the point of a screwdriver, with an insulated or wooden handle, between the connector and the terminal. Post and turn it to seat it firmly. Then try starting the motor. If it starts, you need to clean or replace your cables. Car rattles but won't start. This sound usually means a dead battery. If not, check the wiring to and from the starter motor for a loose connection. Car cranks more, but won't start. Check your engine's fuel supply. If it's good, check if the electric spark reaches your spark plugs. Engine starts but dies. If your car has a carburetor, check your carburetor setting and choke to see if the choke is first closed and then open. If you have fuel injection, you'll need professional help. The car won't start on rainy days. Check the distributor cap for moisture. If you find moisture, get some mechanical solvent from your friendly service station. They use it to clean car parts, or buy an aerosol can from an auto supply store. To evaporate any moisture inside the dispenser cap, turn the cap upside down and pour or spray solvent into it. Bruise around and pour it in. Then dry the cap as best you can with a clean, lint-free cloth, and replace the cap. Use only clean solvent, even a small piece of dirt can blur the dots. Gasoline won't do it because a spark can trigger gasoline fumes and cause an explosion or fire. The car won't start on cold mornings. For vehicles with carburetors, check the choke. Is it closed? Is it open? If you have fuel injection, you'll need to ask a professional to diagnose cold start problems. Engine lacks idle. Check the points, if your car has a non-electronic distributor, and spark plugs. How to remove old spark plugs explains how to remove bad ones. Also check the fuel pump, fuel filter, and carburetor, if you have one. If your fuel filter is the problem, see how to change your vehicle's fuel filter. Engine misses or hesitates during acceleration. Check the gas pedal pump in the carburetor, if fitted, the spark plugs, the distributor and the timing. The engine knocks or pings. Check your schedule, also check the octane rating of the fuel you're using. The owner's manual can tell you whether your vehicle needs regular unleaded or premium gasoline. Check the cooling system. This explains the essentials of checking and maintaining your vehicle's cooling system. Run a compression test on the engine cylinders. Jump starting to start your car safely. Follow the steps in this link. How to start a car with jumper cables tip. If your alternator light stays on or the dashboard gauge continues to read discharge after your car has run, make sure your fan belt is tight enough to run your alternator properly. If your battery continues to die, check both the battery and your alternator. Warning, in any case, never drive with a light or gauge that reads trouble, get it checked immediately. That's why those gauges are out there. In conclusion, troubleshooting a car that won't start can be a straightforward process if you follow a systematic approach. Start by checking the battery, fuel, and ignition system, as these are the most common culprits. Remember to look for any warning lights on the dashboard and listen for unusual sounds when turning the key. If you've gone through these steps and the car still won't start, it may be time to consult a professional mechanic. By staying calm and methodical, you can often identify the issue and get back on the road. Thank you for watching, and safe driving.